Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to create your invoice online. So basically this is an example of an invoice, so we can go to Google and search for it over here, so it will be something like that. And yeah, you can send it to your client so he can know what is the total and what stuff he's buying from you. Now, how we can create something like that online? That's pretty easy. So all you need to do is click on here to your browser, click on online over here and click on invoicegenerator.com. Here guys, all you need to do is put like here your logo, here who's this invoice from, so let's put here something like hello. Here bill to whom, let's add a name actually, lolly, and here let's add for example Omex, so let's add here Omex shipped to for example Mexico. And here let's add a date, so something like that. Here payment terms, like cash, due dates. Let's add here something like so. And PO number, let's add like number one. So here description of service, iPhone for example, or PC, gaming PC. And here let's add for example 5K. Here we go. Here are the taxes, so it's gonna be 20%. And shipping, no, without anything. So this is the stacks. Here we go. And here I'm going to add the amount paid, which is 25. Here we go. And here I will add some notes, some example. Make sure to leave a tip and 5 stars. Here the same thing, I will just add it, and then here I will click here invoice and send our invoice. Here click on next, and let's wait a little bit, or let's go back actually and just download it from here. So PDF, and now let's open it. So that's how it's gonna be looking like. So here the invoice, of course here you must put the logo of your company. In our case I didn't put it because I don't have really a logo. Here's some notes, here the terms, and this is like the online invoice that you can create. It's pretty decent guys, as you can see. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.